Right, people, you all know what one of those is. Alright, so if I click it against my shed, I'm on 2.5 degrees. Right, if I click it out into the yard, out into the street, I'm up to 4 degrees. The sun's shining down there. Right, so if I go above my awning, right, and I click it against the side of the building there, it's 2 degrees. Right, but watch it. You slowly go up in the air. Does anybody else's? Minus 31 degrees. 32 degrees nearly. Yeah, 32 degrees. If you shine it at the sky. Anybody know why?